Hey guys, so here's what I finally come up with. I'm really proud of it. Um, I've got most of the motion links done, so let me just show you like a drilling cycle. So this represents the tub, obviously, and the drill, I modeled it loosely so it would come down and drill through. And when it comes up, the drill bit clears the tub. All that would touch the tub are these three standoffs and these little bitty fingers. They're about 1/4 of an inch wide. And basically, let me take the cap off of this thing so you can see what's going on. Inside of here, the principle that this works on is the fact that a worm gear works in one direction but not the other. And the motion link for this is kind of graphic intensive, so forgive me, it's kind of slow. But what happens is when your fingers turn this wheel here, you're going to position that finger differently. And I've got a flexible shaft linking all three of these adjustment wheels. You really didn't need 3 adjustment wheels. I could just make it one, but I felt like that would make it easier for an operator. Any one of them, they all would work the same. As soon as you spin them, you're going to equally move those fingers into place. When a force comes at the finger from the other direction, which is to say that you've pushed down on these standoffs and this finger hits the edge of the tub, that little wedge down there is going to move this finger. And when it does, it's going to retract. Behind this is a spring. And so when the finger moves, we're going to retract that spring. Upon retracting the spring, we're going to mechanically allow for clearance here, and that is going to allow the tub drill operator to come down. Without that little bit of retraction, when they go to come down, they're just going to hit that block, right? It's just going to interfere. You can see them sort of overlap there. So they're going to be forced to push this up against the tub where all 3 fingers are engaging the tub, which is going to ensure that they're in center and that they can't mess it up. The last sticking point, let me put the top back on, is some kind of a mount that goes from here to the clamp that goes on the drill. And the reason that that's a sticking point is, of course, I'm very proud of the fact that this would be very accurate, very, very accurate. And if I do anything with a locking collar, depending on what dirt and grime and maybe an older drill or a newer drill that you have, what may happen is that they may actually mount this whole contraption off center, which would mean it would very accurately drill off center every time. So I've got to really put some thought into how I want to mount this to here. And in the meantime, I've got enough of a design now to get you a ballpark price, because that may be another sticking point. I don't know. But that's it. That's an all mechanical tub drill centerer that requires no air inputs or anything. And it would prevent somebody from pushing this down unless those fingers have verified mechanically that you're in center. So if you need more videos or if you need another explanation, let me know. I'll be glad to do it. Thank you.